Imagine this. A robot not only walking among us but jetting through the skies overhead. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi blockbuster, right? Well, the future just took an epic leap forward and it looks surprisingly human. Let's dive into the story of the world's very first flying humanoid robot. Get ready, because robotics history has just been made in Italy. Researchers at the Italian Institute of Technology, the IIT, have pulled off something truly wild. They've flown a full-on, jet-powered humanoid robot. Meet iRonCub3. Picture this. A robot, about the size of a teenager, hovering calmly half a meter above the ground, balancing itself with the kind of cool, collected confidence you'd expect from a sci-fi superhero. That's not CGI, it's the real deal. So what exactly is this futuristic flyer? iRonCub3 is built on IIT's latest humanoid platform, the third generation iCub. But this version packs some serious power. It weighs about 70 kilograms. That's roughly 154 pounds for those keeping track. And it's outfitted with 4 jet engines, 2 on the arms, 2 on a custom backpack. Combined, they deliver a massive 1,000 newtons of thrust. If you're not an engineer, just know, that's enough power to lift a small person. No problem. But here's where it gets even cooler. Those jet engines blast out exhaust at a scorching 800 degrees Celsius. To survive that, iRonCub3 got a brand new titanium backbone and some next-level heat-resistant armor. The IIT team spent 2 years fine-tuning every single detail. This robot's not just tough, it's smart too. Now flying a humanoid robot is a whole different ballgame compared to piloting a drone. iRonCub3 isn't just a flying box, it's got arms, legs, and a long, flexible body. That means its aerodynamics are constantly changing, making stability a real challenge. To solve this, the researchers built brand new flight control models and real-time aerodynamic estimators. Basically high-tech brains that think on the fly. They even teamed up with the Polytechnic of Milan for wind tunnel tests, and Stanford University pitched in with advanced machine learning. Their neural networks chew through mountains of data, learning how to keep iRonCub3 stable as it zips through the air, even if its limbs are moving around. But wait, there's more. The secret sauce behind iRonCub3's steady flight is something called co-design. That means the engineers didn't just slap engines on a robot, they redesigned the whole thing from the ground up. Shape, weight, thrust, heat protection, sensors, flight controls, they all got optimized together. They ran endless simulations, tweaked the engine layout, and even created automated planners for takeoff and landing. The end result? A flying humanoid that's as precise as it is powerful. So, what's next for iRonCub3? Early tests were indoors, but soon the team's moving to a dedicated flight zone at Genoa Airport. Imagine a future where flying humanoids swoop into disaster zones too dangerous for humans, or explore toxic environments, or handle risky repairs in places we can't go. This isn't just about cool tech, it's about solving real-world problems in ways we never thought possible. This breakthrough, published in Nature Communications Engineering, is just the beginning. The age of flying robots is officially here. So, what do you think? Are you excited or a little bit nervous about sharing the skies with robo-jetpacks? Sound off in the comments. If this blew your mind, don't forget to hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe for more jaw-dropping tech stories. Thanks for hanging out with me. Catch you in the future.